Here is the OPPO 46mm watch, and in this video I'm going to show you all the good and bad things about this smartwatch. I'm not going to tell you all the specs and all, I'm just sharing my experience and the problems I have faced. So this is my long-term review of OPPO 46mm watch. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the looks. It looks premium and the dual curved AMOLED display is just gorgeous. And yeah, you can say OPPO took a lot of inspiration from Apple, but I don't think it's just another Apple Watch clone because it has its individual characteristics. Like Apple Watch display looks like curved, but it's just a flat display. But here you have a curved display. Also, when we are talking about a smartwatch with squarish design, how much you expect it to be different? Even the Apple Watch from Series 1 to Series 6 doesn't have any major design changes. So I don't think we should call every square watch an Apple Watch clone. And the build quality is nice, especially the straps. OPPO says fluoro rubber, but whatever they have used is really comfortable to wear for longer periods, and the aluminum casing is also great. It looks fine, but I think it will collect scratch and dent with time. And the gorgeous 4.85cm display is beautiful. And it has a resolution of 402 by 476 pixels with 326 ppi density. So all the icons, texts looks crisp and clear. Also the 46mm one has a Scott glass protection and the 41mm has the Gorilla Glass protection. But I really want to use a screen protector for it, but I can't find a good one on Amazon or Flipkart. If I find one, I'll link it in the description. And it's not only the looks, rather it's the software that makes the Apple Watch the best smartwatch. So here in this watch we have the Google's own WearOS. Now I have to say it's the best and the worst feature of this smartwatch. Now let me explain it. So you have the WearOS, which means you are going to get Google's own software updates with tons of features and customizations options. Also it will sync perfectly with your other Google apps, and that will make the experience a whole lot better. But it has its own downsides as well. As you all know, WearOS consumes a lot of power, so it will be going to drain the battery faster. Also the OS needs more RAM to work smoothly. Though we have 1GB RAM on the smartwatch, so the UI experience is smooth like butter. Now this watch has a lot of controversy with its battery life. Now let me clear it for you. In this watch we have 430 mAh battery, and with one full charge it will run for about 1 to maximum 1.5 days if you use it as a watch. Now if you are going to use it as a smartphone, like for YouTube, music, etc., then I can say anything about the battery. Also, while downloading apps via Wi-Fi or updating the OS, the watch gets hot. I mean really hot. So that's a problem. And the battery life has increased with its last update, and I think they will optimize it more with software updates in future. Also, if you are going to compare it with other simple smart bands, it will seem to have a poor battery life. But in comparison with Samsung's Active or Apple Watch, the battery life is good enough. And now when we are talking about the battery consumption of WearOS, OPPO has done something really great. They have put their first charging technology, which is VOOC charging, in this watch. So it gets 0 to 100 way faster than any other smartwatch, and about 40% within 15 minutes. So I've been using it for about a week now, and I have never faced any issue regarding its battery life. But yes, if we have a better battery life than this, that will be a really good experience. But for now it's kinda usable, so I don't see any problem for me at least. OPPO has provided some insane watch faces with the last update, and in total you have about 40 to 41 watch faces right now. Some of them are really good, like this one is very minimal looking. Also this animated ones looks really good. And if you want third-party support, you have plenty of apps available in the Play Store, but pretty much all the good ones are hidden behind paid walls. So let me show you very quickly some of my favorite apps. So the first one is PUBG Black, and the best thing about this app is you can create your own watch faces with animations, AOD, lifetimes and all the other things. Here's the another one. This is Watchmaker. It's basically a free app, but all the good watch faces are in the premium section. It's cheap, so you can give it a shot. Also the Facer app is also a good one. It's really cheap and it has a large collection of watch faces, so you guys can also give it a try. So overall, OPPO 46mm watch is the Apple Watch for Android users, and it's the best option for many of us, but not for everyone. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question about this product, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you don't like the video, like it anyway, it's free, who cares. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.